Why settle for ordinary? Learn to live a life full of freedom and meaning. Are you happy with your life working 40 to 60 hours a week of trading time for money just to get that paycheck, which is diminished by tax, inflation and interest rates? In 2024, learning internet marketing is the fastest route to building an online business around your passion and achieving the life you deserve. If you're interested, I have videos on how to do this. Click the Learn More button. I'll send them to you. Like all businesses, this requires time, attention and investment. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, you are in control. You can build your online business promptly from home, even while working your current employment. Picture this. You can have the freedom to travel, improve your health, spend quality time with your family, and indulge in your favorite sports and hobbies. No bosses dictating your schedule. Work on your terms with an uncapped income potential from anywhere in the world using a laptop. What is the key to everyone succeeding on the internet? Targeting the right people with the right message of how to solve their problems. This skill can be your breakthrough. It's obvious you can find products and services to have an online income in a timely fashion. Everyone knows there's no better, faster, more efficient way to do it than on the internet. Click on the blue button, and as soon as you put in your email address, those videos will be sent to you. Just make sure you're receiving them in your inbox. Also, I have a special message for you as soon as you click the button. Why do people find it so hard to get traction with Forex models and crypto? Because they don't have enough money in the bank. A lot of capital is required to make a few thousand in these supposedly safe investments. Here's the thing. People are searching the internet every day for solutions that don't require huge investments. The shift is happening and it's massive. In January 2024, there were 5.3 billion internet users globally, and the number of internet users grew by 97 million in the last 12 months. The beauty of this, it's not just about money, it's about reclaiming your time, reigniting your relationships, and living life on your terms. How will you feel waking up every morning with a sense of purpose and the freedom to pursue your passions? Click the Learn More button, enter your name and email, and I'll tell you how you can embark on this life-changing journey. Don't settle for less. You deserve better.